All right, it's nighttime now, and got a campfire going over there. But just wanted to show you some of the mud that we made tonight. All right, there's some mud there. Oh, look at these tires. Oh man, there's so much mud on there. And that's a truck, by the way, if you couldn't see it. Oh, man. Hey, I'm taking a video, Trey. What would you like to say?
Always go swimming.
All right. Oh man, that is a tire right there.
Oh, this thing got bumper.
Oh man. Pretty nice. Take a look at Brian. Oh, there's Brian's plow. Got some mud on his wheels too. Trey, would you like to say anything else?
Those tires are the same color as my underwear.
Yes, they are. I can attest to that, actually. Sad to say. Oh man. Oh, look at that big chunk right there. You wanna knock that off there? That big chunk right there. Oh, that's so nice. All right. Well, let's just go take a look at the fire now. Oh, this is Phil. Would you like to say something, Phil? Sorry about the light.
Well, TJ and Brian both had stuff I could bring to you, but they couldn't handle what I had to bring to the table.
Would you like to say something, Brian?
Nope.
All right, bye. Well, there's the fire, and this is where it ends.